Dave Knight here at Dave Knight Trading. On YouTube, you know I hate these effing videos. 5 minutes. I really don't have anything to say to this. It's just old and pissed off. I just don't have a good trading plan on a losing trading day. That's bottom line. Because if I'm not going to follow the rules of my trading loss when then I deserve to lose my PA. PA number 9 down the shithole. Yeah, it's old. I'm just so done with being a screw up. They're all the same. All my losing days look the same. The market shoots up. I try to short it. I get my ass handed to me. They all look alike. They're all the same. I would say 95% of all my losing days come on an up day, and I get my shit handed to me. Now you can see that I did open up another EA, number 70. Yes, 70. 70. And I was able to go up to 51,601, up 1745 overall. If you look at this balance right here and my starting balance today on my PA, I started today at 51,861 and I got back to 51,775. So if I could just learn to be patient and not, I mean, at one point today, honest to God, I was down 590 after 4
Potential
trades.
TX on MQ.
I had
Trapped orders with exhaustion box on MQ.
Be 1 win, obviously, 2 losses, 1 break even. They came in loss, break even, loss, win, and then it went downhill from there. I had an opportunity when I was down 590 to stop trading at about I think it was like 800 and something, and then it turned into 1100, and then it turned into F it minus 2400 as I increased my contract size and just did everything that I know that I shouldn't do, and I've done it before. It's old. I don't have any excuses. It's all me. All of my losing days look alike. For, I would say, 95% of my losing days all look the same. I get caught in something like this trying, and I didn't short
Potential
any of
TX
this
on
move.
MQ.
My first short attempt comes on this, what I perceive as a shooting star. I was already out before this happened here. Here's my winning trade setup that I was able to catch on the number 70. And then you can see later on in the session there's a nice little move. This actually was a 4-bar down before it reversed itself. So there was another, and this one right here had a beautiful, we'll go look at it as we close the day. If I would follow my own advice and be patient, just call it Pat for now, I would be, honest to God, I had 12 days, July 6th qualified on July 26th. Very patient through the whole month of July. Even took a winning day at month end for the first time in God knows how long. And I had a feeling of dread walking into my trading session. You know, fuck 5 minutes. We're going to go past it. Yep, I failed again. So here's the 5 minute chart. If you go back and look at my losing trading days, they all have this in common for the most part. I came in at 10:30 and I watched this go up. I didn't take any longs. I wasn't available to trade. I actually didn't get in here. I should have been available at 10:30, but I wasn't available till 10:40. So I was not ready to trade. It was already up here at 10:40. I did wait for this bar to form before I got involved in the trade. But I took 2 losses. Like I told you, I had 2 losses, 1 win, 1 break even, loss, break even, loss, win. Down 590 on this bar right here. And then I got caught on this 5 minute bar right there and blew the
Potential
effing account
TDS on NQ.
before this move right here even came into the market. And obviously I had already got up 1745 on the other account before this move happened. But it was a beautiful setup. We'll look at it real quick here before I go. Market had already made up its mind that it kind of wanted to come down. And here it is. Here's your ODD for the day. This one's kind of questionable. I think it says 67, but I read it as 67 at the time. So that's why I liked it. It looked, I'm pretty sure it says 67 on that. And this obviously, this little down right here corresponds with this move right here. Whoops. Yeah, well, grabbed the wrong thing, but it corresponds with this move right there. And if we fast forward this, and then you see the correction of that move right there. But there is opportunity to shorten it up, but you've got to be patient. And for the most part, here's another beautiful setup that this might have been actually this one here. No, this is the start of the down move. I take that back. Here's the, I knew that there was a one available. So here's your ODD. It doesn't top out here, right? It stays underneath it and it continues to head down. So this was actually the top of the ODD.
Potential TX on NQ.
What is that, 1157?
Potential TDS on NQ.
So at 1155 to 12 o'clock bar, which should be the, well, let's see here.
TDS on NQ.
So this one here, and then you see the 1220 bar. The 1220 bar is the one I like better, which is right here. So the 1215 to 1220. This corresponds to that one here. There's the 11:55 to 12 o'clock bar, but this one right here, the 12:20 bar, was really good too. This is the one that I saw after the fact. But I did see the other one as well. So there was two of them today. There was this one here. So you had two nice setups later in the session. Right here. Now I actually won
Potential
money on
TX on
long
MQ.
on my second foray into the market. Here's the other one. Actually, I don't know where I got in, but I caught. I'll show you the bar that I caught that was my winning trade. It got me. I
Trapped
was able to
orders with
catch it
exhaustion box
down.
on MQ.
I caught two trades to get 1745 today. I caught this one, and I caught this move right here. You have a controlled down move, kind of a cup.
Potential TX on
Technical
ES.
pattern is a cup.
Potential double TX
And you
on
got your
ES.
handle coming over here, right? It shows up later, but this is the GAN signal that I talk about over and over again, right? So you have your GAN up, so you have your controlled down move, and then you have your X marks the spot coming up. This happens over and over and over again, especially if you can find a controlled move. So you have your cup here, and then you have your handle to the cup, technical signal. But as far as movement goes, W.D. Gann talked about this. This is one of my favorite setups as it relates to trying to catch a move. So this move right here, controlled down move, it right angles itself back up to the mark. It works both ways. But this is the bar that I was at 930 plus 930 on this move, and then I went plus 1745 on this long signal right here. I believe that's how my wins came in today. All right, I'm done beating myself up. I don't really have. One thing pretty much
Potential elevator
every
on MQ.
losing session that I have, I physically am unable to walk away, even though I had a set of rules set up today. Previously, 2 losses in a row, 10-minute break, 3 losses. It didn't work out the way today. It was loss, break even, loss, win, minus 590, loss, loss, and then I should have taken my 10-minute break somewhere here at 7, or I should have stopped minus 700, 800 bucks. That's probably where I should have given up, and I would have been sitting still up. I was up coming into the session. I was up 51,861. The account balance was about 51 and change when I looked at it, and I thought, well, I'll give myself one more trade, and that one more trade turned
Potential
into
TX on MQ.
blowing the PA again. So you're only as good as your losing trading days. So I did right today in my journal. So I'm just going to read what I wrote, take it for the grain of salt that it's worth. I got caught in an up move trying to short it before it was ready to come down a bit. This is my Achilles heel as a day trader. My biggest losses still come on an up day trying to short a move before it's ready to be sold. I wasn't truly ready to trade today. I did not get up at 9 a.m. and reset my alarm for 9:30 a.m. I had a feeling of dread looking at the market when I saw the big up move at 10:38 when I came into the room. Why am I not able to go with the flow? I had 11 trading days of positive account growth from July 6th to July 31st and threw it away on one trading session. I was unable to take my 10-minute cool off after two losses today. With that being said, were my initial sells valid? There was a shooting star, but was that my second trade? In any case, it failed. I must be more patient. I did not write patience, get paid to be patient today. I didn't want to buy another EA, so I didn't take advantage of that 80% off discount that they had the day before because I was like, I'm going to make this PA work. PA 9 is going to be the one that pays me. So I went into the belief of basically burn the bridges and I'm going to make this work. You must take this serious every day or do not trade. I know that is easier said than done. Respect the up day. You know this is your nemesis. Be ready to trade. I get so mad at myself I don't want to go back. I must have a plan on a losing trading day. Most importantly, I must follow it. How can I stay profitable as a trader? That's about being a good loser and walking away on a losing trading session. So I've wrote about this countless times in the past. That's why I don't educate anymore. I just do these little stupid frickin' videos of being a 90% winning trader and the 10% blowing the account. God bless. Take care. See you in the next video I put together. Bye for now.